Welcome to this breakout, Claranet security in SaaS mode with Sébastien Barthes right now.
Hi everybody, I'm very happy to participate in this rather short virtual summit. I'm Sébastien Barthes and I'm in charge of cybersecurity services at Claranet, France. Claranet cybersecurity is located in 3 countries, England, Portugal and France. And we are more than 120 people dedicated to a very operational security. In this presentation, we want to show you our ability to produce a SaaS security service in topics like DevSecOps, code review, WAF monitoring, WAF management, and so on. So please enjoy our demo. Thanks a lot.
We will now present the Claranet Cybersecurity Portal, an intuitive portal focused on security for our clients. This portal can be publicly accessed by existing Claranet clients or guests with a free account. Once logged in, all users are linked to an organization with a set of Claranet cybersecurity services. These are the Claranet services that can be accessed as applications through the cybersecurity portal. You may see that applications are grouped by topics. The first group contains services focused on offensive. The audit applications allows to easily order web application, mobile application, or network audits performed by Claranet cybersecurity pentesters. The Pulsar application, on the other hand, offer automated scan targeting web applications or public networks. The second group allows you to access the cybersecurity web application firewall services. The first application, WAFShare, perform recurring WAF scans and alerts on security misconfiguration. Alongside WAFShare, the WebFence application enables any Claranet clients to manage his WAF service easily with essential security KPI. In the other services, we first have Code Patrol, focused on a DevSecOps approach with code security scans, Foreman, the second applications, handle certificate management and TLS audits. Finally, the SOC application allows Claranet cybersecurity SOC clients to view the security alerts on their infrastructure. We will now briefly present the WAFShare application. WAFShare enables any users on the cybersecurity portal to audit their web application firewall. The audits are performed by launching networks and web attacks on cloud servers. On the WAFShare dashboard, we can see the number of active targets in the organization. These targets represent the web application firewall in your company and are often scanned by WAFShare to find security flaws. Below, we can find the main charts that represent the audit scoring evolution of the target made by WAFShare. For instance, on the 21st of September, we can see that 3 targets are scored B, while 1 target scored below with a C ranking. When navigating to the WAFShare inventory, all your targets appears as tiles with the last audit score. The WAFShare QL query feature allows users to perform advanced filtering on their target inventory. You may click on Create your first alert, enter an alert title with a threshold, score, and a label. After the audit topic, we'll now move on to the WebFence WAF management application. We'll now proceed with WebFence presentation, a WAF management tool. We are here on the welcome page of WebFence, showing me the different tunnels owned by my organization. Different informations are displayed like enabled modules, tunnels names, etc. By clicking the AWS tunnel, I can see more information. Here we are now on the tunnels dashboard with many graphs like alert trend, top 10 attacks, IP filters events with newly added IPs in my whitelist or blacklist, top 10 paths, and trend of attack allow me to analyze quickly attack patterns. I can change the scale on which my data will be displayed in order to zoom more on moment of interest. If I want to make deeper research, the Analytics tabs gives me more graphs to watch. Here is a stack attack trend displaying the alert trends with attack family details. The response time allows me to see how my WAF is doing and if there is any problems. Again, in this tab you can choose your timescale. Claranet Cybersecurity offers to its clients the possibility to enable different modules, giving webfence a customizable touch. Today, we have developed 4 modules: anti-DDoS, geolocation, IP reputation, and HTTP request. Each of these modules has been designed to be understood by the client, giving him the possibility to think if it's answering one of his needs, what are the core parameters, and how does it work in order to enable it or not. Each page will display a schema, an example, some general and specific settings of the modules. Finally, webfence has an IP filtering feature in which you can edit a blacklist exception, and a whitelist. We'll now present Code Patrol. Code Patrol aims to enhance security early in the development process and to sensitize developers to adopt a DevSecOps approach. Here we are on the main Code Patrol dashboard showing the health status of our different projects. We have in this organization 4 projects. Let's dig in PHP application projects. In this new dashboard, I can see the different graphs showing vulnerability reports and score evolutions. In scan reports, I can access to more information. Code Patrol is based on the checkmark technology, but Claranet has added a lot of different engines, like dependency scanning, credential leak detection, or Dockerfile lint. I can navigate through the scans vulnerabilities ordered by categories, top 10 OWASP or path in my code. Code Patrol allows me to trigger alerts. For example, here I want Code Patrol to send me an email when a scan contains 4 major vulnerabilities. In settings, I can check my Code Patrol project parameters, but I can also see the different scan engines that I talked about earlier. Finally, Code Patrol has a feature in which you can learn or discover different vulnerabilities that can show up in your scan reports. Each course is composed of learning cards. We will now focus on the last application for this video, the SOC application. The SOC application allows to follow the latest security trends across your organization infrastructure, and it's included in the Claranet Cybersecurity SOC package. Our experts configure multiple detection scenarios on your servers that can detect suspicious security activities and trigger alerts. You may see these alerts on the SOC dashboard with other useful information. For instance, we do have 21 scenarios on this organization with 62 incident alerts for the last 7 days. The SOC application was primarily conceived to allow a drill-down strategy for every user. You can easily navigate from overview chart to a single incident in a few clicks. This is made possible with the analytics feature. I picked the R000 category to analyze the first 2 scenarios that were triggered on extensively last week. I can thereafter analyze all events that were triggered the 2nd of August.